Making and selling gift baskets seems to be so easy, doesn't it? All you need is a basket, some products, wrap it all together, sell it to your family and friends, and make big profits. That's what some information says on the web, but it really does take a little bit more time and your talent to actually make and sell gift baskets. And that's what this gift basket quick start kit is all about. It really ties everything together so that you understand everything about being a gift basket professional. Hi, I'm Shirley George Frazier, the world's expert on gift baskets. I'm chief basketologist at giftbasketbusiness.com, and I'm also the author of the world's best-selling books on gift baskets. I entered this industry 28 years ago. Seems like a lifetime ago, but gift baskets are as flourishing now as they were back in the 90s. In fact, gift baskets are even more popular because they're going to sell to more than your family and friends. You have so many more options to sell your gift baskets for high profits and continue at the wonderful lifestyle that you have, or maybe elevate the lifestyle that you have. This quick start kit has many elements to make making and selling gift baskets easy and simple. You will get 2 videos, one on how to make professionally styled gift baskets and bows. You'll also get another video on how to ship your gift baskets. That is so important so that your gift baskets arrive at point B the way they started out at point A in your studio. You will also receive an audio that you can download, take wherever you want to go, to keep you motivated and inspired to create your gift basket hobby or your business. You will also receive a pricing ebook. You definitely need this to know how to price your gift baskets. So for example, you don't want to make a gift basket for $20 and sell it for $25. That's not enough profit. No way. I give you 4 formulas to price your gift baskets at so that you really know you're making money. And finally, you receive a bonus video where to get free containers to make your gift baskets so that you are spending less money and making more profit in making your gift baskets. This quick start kit has been a dream of mine to create so that it doesn't take you as long as it did for me to be successful with gift baskets. I know that you are going to get a lot of benefit out of this. There's a discussion area where you can ask me questions about any of the information that I share with you. And I know that this gift basket quick start kit is going to help you to learn, grow, and definitely profit with gift baskets. I'm Shirley George Frazier, and I'll see you in the course.